I want to show you our latest Quick Stairs patented product. It's called Quick Rail. Basically, it's a handrail, base rail, spindle system already made up. You buy it in a 2 meter or a 4 meter length. You buy it on the angle suitable for a staircase. The maximum angle it will achieve is 45 degrees, but it's variable, which I'll show you in a second. The infills are already cut for you. So all you have to do is literally cut the ends to length. The end infills can be removed even when they're fitted. So you can still slide the spindles up and down if you need to even the gaps and stuff at the ends. You can move that about. But the best part about the product is when you buy it, move it all along, close the gaps, fit it. So the same kit will do the stairs or the landing. It's got a unique system. So it's capable of in both situations. It will save the joiner on site hours.